It's a moth of madness. Yeah, it's a moth. It's a dead moth. We found it in the backyard. Oh, no, no, it's in our garage. Later. Whatever. Today I'm going to show you about my BMX bike, the Inman 1 fitbikeco. Fitbikeco. Checkered seat. That is made out of duct tape. As you can tell, it is coming apart as we speak. If y'all could put some comments below talking about the seat, like what, if y'all can hook me up with a checkered seat, that would be nice. Like, you don't have to pay for it, I'll just pay for it. Pen pal, whatever the hell we'll do. Okay. Stem, stock, handlebars are chrome. I don't know, put a little taste, a little flair in it. Let us see grips. Don't know the name of them yet. Sorry. Everything else is actually stock. Oh my god. Oh my god. If you see these tires right now, bro, freaking grippy. I don't know why, but they're awesome. They're off-road. Good for street too. I can do a little tail whips on them. I can do tail whips, foot jam tail whips. I'm pretty good on it. Yeah. I cleaned it a little bit today, not that much, but yeah. KMC chain. I can lift it up. Yeah. KMC, if I can see a KMC anywhere. Z. I don't know if you can see that well. But it's a KMC. Says it right there. You can see it. I don't know if you can see it. And then they're fitbikeco tires. Hub, worst hub ever. Defect, this is the only defect on this bike. The hub, the back hub. I can't put a peg on it at all. Sucks like crap. Pivotal seat. What else? Sprocket, 25 tooth sprocket. 3-piece crank. Only thing I like this frame for one reason. You can put your WD-40 in there. There's a little hole you can spray it in there. Pretty cool. Stem, top deck, stem, headset. Don't really like that one. Thinking about getting gold, like right there. But here, I'm gonna get gold. Here, I'm gonna get a gold stem. I already sold my other gold stem. Yeah. It's an okay bike. It's not the best bike I've had. My best bike was an Eastern Cobra. It still isn't that good of a bike. If you're like me and you live in Cyprus, you might go to Lone Star Bicycle. Not sure, but yeah, look at that. Okay. Pedals. If y'all could hook me up with some better pedals, like just put some names in the comments below, talking about pedals or anything. Seat. If y'all could actually hook me up with a website that has a link to checkered seat, that would be nice. Please, 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 hook me up with the checkered seat. Most important right now. If you can hear that in the background, that is Skrillex. Yeah. On our boats, yeah, bro. That's pretty much it, bro. Yeah. Let's go back to that dead moth, bro. Dead moth, dead moth. It's a dead moth. It's really dead. Dead. Well, today we have learned a great thing. Actually, we didn't really learn anything. So, yeah. Peace.